Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol EMPM. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Very nice movement today on this one, not only from the price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on this. So a lot of eyeballs on it. So let's map out some levels of support and resistance going into next week. First level of support is what I would call the ideal level. When we say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price could stay up there above 18.5 cents. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below 18.5, I'm not saying the entire chart is destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay above that level, that would definitely be a massive sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play. The 50 period at simple moving average, keyword being moving. As time goes on, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very straightforward way to gauge the health of the move. That right there being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you must visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 18.5 would be great, but from the grand scheme of things, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance going forward? Initial level of resistance to watch next week going to be right there at 21 cents. Good news is the price is not very far off from that at all. So assuming there's no gap downs, the price, it looks like it'll be able to immediately resume its battle with that area after the 21 cent mark. Next key level after that, up there at 23. So 21, 23, next two key battlegrounds going forward. All in all, though, anyway, look at it. Great movement today, great volume, and not just a question of can the price build upon this momentum next week. Let's see what happens.
One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.